I'm not cool though. I'm messed up. We gotta jump. Everyone's works is there is no place like goddamn. Oh no. Oh yeah, we hide him. Yep, we hide.
Darling.
Oh no. Oh no.
To be unwrapped.
Bro, what's wrong with your eyes, man? How would you even get out of this situation?
A legacy. To be the father I never had.
Dude. I'm a dude. So I don't know how that's gonna happen. Bro.
Try to enjoy the anticipation.
Oh no. Oh my. No. Yep, that's it. 12 hours later. How did I know it was 12 hours later? What is that? Is that me or is that... Oh.
I know the fair sex often endure the same wounds with more suffering.
What's going on?
But you really need to make an effort.
Oh no, I don't think I'm gonna show this.
Oh, silky smooth.
Oh my god. Oh. Why don't you... Oh. I think I would have ran.
Such soft skin. Your
Oh
gloves
no.
are beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
The incision will hurt.
You're about to saw my nuts, bro. What are you doing? Oh hell no! Someone... Oh! Holy crap! He helped me.
I'll come out of my house and I'll break your fucking leg, you little prick!
He sucked his ass. Yo, thank you, man. Oh my god. Was that? That's not him, is it? Oh, it is him. Yep. Oh! Go! Start running. Dude, I'm not even fast, man. Close that damn door. Close it! Oh no! Oh, I still can. Jump! Jump! Oh! The leg! Oh my god. Find the key to access the mail ward. Alright, cool. Bruh. Dude. What's over here? Oh, yeah. Oh my god. Oh, shh. Oh! It's a dead end! Don't touch me, bro. Oh!
Your little swinish eyes.
Oh! I will still record it though. I'm gonna record it though. I got it. I got it.
Oh, hello there. How are you doing?
Oh, thank you for the key. Hey, bro. Hey, yo. Let's just chill, all right? We can calm down, all right? Are we good now? Okay, he's opening that door. Oh, okay. Come on. Yep. Ring around the rosy. Yep. Close the door. Close the door. Yes. Stand there like an idiot. All right, let's go. Close the door. Jump here. I don't. Oh yeah. Yeah. Over here. All right. Hop to the. Let's through here. Right. Here. Yeah. exit. Yes, sir. Oh! Oh my god. Dude! Start running! Oh. 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 Damn, man.
You can hang.
Oh, snap. No! Oh my god.
Heavier than you.
Bruh. Yeah.
This is you.
Oh man. Dude, what do I do? Shake?
Hold still.
Shake!
God damn it! What are you?
Alright, shake it, shake it. Shake! Oh! Damn. Damn. Oh, the church.
Like to last me a lifetime. And not all of them. Amen. Park.
Oh, look at him. Hey, man. You could just, piss off. Oh! What the? Damn! What the hell, man?
No one can know.
Oh, no. Kick him. Kick his leg. Kick his leg. Oh, oh. Oh, my. Oh, my God. Alright, get in the car. Enter Miles' Jeep. That's the person you play in an Outlast one. What is that? What the hell?
Yeah.
Oh no, you better run! Alvin, you better drive! Oh my god, he's floating up to the damn thing, dude!
I don't care about
You
your
better-
mess.
Oh yeah, drive.
With my wrist, I hit my dance. If you wanna hit a lick, you better have a fucking plan.
Alright, it's been your homie Xander. We just got done playing Outlast Whistleblower. And yes, that's pretty much it. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, and share with your friends if you can. That would mean a lot. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. This has been your homie Xander.